going on? Another cool day down in the fucking city. Alright, a little bit to talk about. So I know in the ending of like my last video, I would explain like what had happened to my I would talk about what happened with my Activision account, and it's kind of a funny story, to be honest. I've been dealing with this issue since September of 2020. So September comes around and Activision gives us name tokens to change our name, and at the time my name was something stupid. Originally it was like 2 underscores, and when the name changes came out, I made it a hyphen, space, hyphen, and the game accepted it, so I thought it was fine. So I kind of wanted to see how like toxic I could be, because the whole purpose of that name is so it makes it like a lot harder to see. So I did hyphen with like multiple spaces with another hyphen, and so I ended up doing a hyphen with like multiple spaces and another hyphen, and the game accepted it, so I thought it was fine. And I go to load into a game and I keep getting this error code called turtle. What that code means is that something is wrong with your name and the Activision servers can't access it. So I ended up reaching out to Activision to see like, yo, can you guys help me out? And basically they couldn't help. All they told me was that I gotta wait until the next name change. One thing I'll say that I don't like about Activision is how shitty they are with like with their customer service, because I know 100% they can do something on their side to either change your name or give you a name token, but because they want to be kind of, I guess, stingy and be like, nah, you just gotta wait, man. I think it's kind of dumb, because every single game company that you have access to change your name, if you give a valid reason, they'll change it. And even if they don't give a token, I think it's really, really dumb that they don't at least offer a name change service. I think it's really dumb that they don't even offer like for you to at least pay for it, because I was talking to my homie last night. I told him, I was like, bro, if they allowed you to like buy a token and change your name, even if it was like 10 bucks, bro, people would pay that shit. But that's it with the token. And not supposedly, they were supposed to give out tokens on the 1st, and I didn't get mine. So the next token release date is the 15th, which is probably, by the time this video comes out, will be the Monday coming up. But so there's a thing with the Activision account, and then I kind of started coming better prepared for work. So I do security, and I'm outside like all day, and I kind of thought that winter was over, but it turns out that shit's not. So it seems like we're done with like the super, super cold weather, and now we're just getting hit with a lot of wind. So I actually have my bag today, and I brought my heated hoodie. So I hope that that's gonna make tonight like so much more cozy. You can probably tell by the timing of like how these videos are coming out. I work night leading into like 2 a.m. pretty much. I go in at like 5 and I leave at like 2 a.m. I mean, I like it, but I don't like it, because one of the things that I'm trying to do is like, I'm trying to get back into the dating scene, but with me working nights, like almost all the time, it's very, very, very hard. It's very hard to sort of have a love life with somebody who works normal hours, and then to go out and try to do stuff is like, ah, nah, I can't today, I work, you know? Pros definitely are traffic. Right now, traffic is fucking awful, but when you leave at like fucking 2 a.m., bro, nobody's on the fucking road. This shit does get annoying as fuck. I love doing city pools. On a bike are so fucking fun because you can accelerate so quick and brake within seconds. Oh look, it's Brian Griffin in his little Prius. Something else that I was looking at last night is, so I'm in the market for a new graphics card for my PC. I currently have a 1660 Super, and I'm trying to get my hands on a 3060. But for the longest time, I couldn't figure out why these things were so overpriced, and like why they were either overpriced or just out of stock everywhere. And I finally figured it out. So apparently, so it turns out that a whole bunch of crypto miners have been snagging up every single graphics card. All the 3060s, pretty much all of the best graphic cards that are normally like $400 to $500, they've been snagging up, which boosts up the price and also puts it out of stock. And Nvidia released an article yesterday, I forget what the site was, but they released a site saying that yo, like we're working on putting out more 3000 series, and we're gonna put like a thing in it that fucks with the crypto miners. I don't think that they put a name on it or anything, but they have something that's in the graphics card where if it detects that you're mining or anything like that, it's gonna fuck with the performance to, I guess, prevent mining. Because, I mean, I'm not saying that, you know, Bitcoin is a bad thing. I mean, you know, I get it, you know, you gotta make your bread some way, somehow. But those cards are meant for gamers. Back on the bridge with crazy ass wind. Great. Yeah, I don't know what season this is, fucking wind season, but this is annoying. Like, this is fucking killer. But so that's kind of good news. So basically what that means is with the next cars that they come out with the chips being in them, it's gonna sort of like sway miners away and let us gamers get it back, basically. And the thing is that the 3060 is like my next card up. It's not an expensive card, it's like $350. But because all this stuff with the GPU market is going on, you can still get a 3060 for like $1,000. And I don't really feel like paying $1,000 for a graphics card. The graphics card that I have now, I mean, it's decent. I mean, I get like 100 FPS, like a solid 100 FPS on good settings on Call of Duty. And that's not bad, it's just with all the other parts that are in my PC, it's like my GPU is holding me back. Yeah, now my GPU is holding me back because everything else that I have is fucking amazing. Like, I have a Ryzen 7. I have like over 30 gigs of RAM. I think I have fucking 48. And then I just have this lame ass 1660 that's holding me back. So that's gonna be the next step for me. And then what I'll probably do with my old card is I'll probably give it to my homie. Okay, that guy is driving a lot more crazy than I am. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Okay, yeah, we're chilling out here. These guys are fucking crazy. This guy in his gay-ass fucking Toyota. This dude has a Superman logo and fucking 2 Spider-Man logos. I don't know if he thinks that it's cool, but that's kind of fucking tacky. Shit! With that, the last little pull, I think I'm gonna end the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.